What is the future of ESG investing? Environmental, social, and governance, ESG. Investing is becoming a massive force to be reckoned with on Wall Street. If we peer into the crystal ball, there are a few trends that seem to be steering the ship. First, there's increased demand from the public, especially the younger crowd, for companies to be more than just profit machines. They want them to wear the white hat and do good while doing well. This sentiment translates into investment decisions. More and more individuals are directing their hard-earned dollars into funds that align with their values. That pressure is only going to inflate as the newer generational wave comes of age. Corporations aren't ignoring this. They're swiveling their heads towards sustainability and social responsibility because it's good for business. All there's to it. They've got to polish their brand in the gleam of the good doers if they want to keep attracting customers and savvy investors. It's a dance between doing what's right and what lights up the revenue numbers. There's also the gradual yet undeniable regulatory push. Around the globe, rules are tightening up. Mandates on climate disclosures, ethical supply chains, and diversity in leadership roles are blossoming like wildflowers after rain. The SEC in the States is all over this, with more ESG disclosure requirements on the horizon. It implies companies won't just be able to slap on a green label for the heck of it. They'll need to walk the walk. On the nuts and bolts side, tech is doing its part. Advanced analytics, big data, and AI are transforming how investors track and measure ESG performance. It won't just be a pretty section in the annual report. It'll be quantifiable, real-time data that investors can dissect. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. ESG isn't without its critics and challenges. The murkiness in what qualifies as ESG compliant, for example, creates quite a fuzz. Everyone's got their own interpretation. There are also questions on whether you need to sacrifice returns to be a good global citizen, a notion that's still up for debate. But listen, the bottom line here is that ESG isn't some hipster fad that'll fade away like flared jeans or frosted tips. It's reshaping the investment landscape. As we become globally more interconnected and socially aware, the pressure ratchets up. ESG is a megatrend, one that's evolving, but it's here to stay. And up here in Portland, Oregon, where green initiatives and social consciousness are practically on our city's flag, this trend feels right at home. The natural beauty of the Pacific Northwest is a daily reminder of why ESG matters. You're going to see companies that treat the earth right and care about where they pitch their tent in society's campground, attract more and more of that green. And I don't just mean the environmental kind. So if you're rifling through your investment options and you've got a heart that's pumping for more than just profit, ESG funds might just align with what you're looking for. But as always, do your homework, chip off the hype, look at the hard data, and then invest not just with your wallet, but with your conscience too.